What's up? Full Face Andy here with another one. This time 2006 Subaru Outback. Doing a front bearing hub assembly. Bearings are bad. Telltale signs. You're gonna hear a humming and howling when you drive down the road. That's gonna be associated with your speed. And if you turn, then you'll hear various different noises because it's basically wobbling back and forth. Another sign. I don't know if you can hear that. I don't know if you can see that, but it shouldn't be doing that. Yeah, if your tire wobbles when it's lifted, boom. Here's the old bearing. It moves and made a lot of noise, and it's just, it's old. New bearing, yeah, that's nice. But here's something critical. New bearing, you can see this one came with the plastic over the back. This is your ABS sensor type stuff that goes right there. Your ABS sensor is right in there. Be very careful. Don't damage that. Otherwise, another expensive thing. But also be very careful with this. Don't drop it. Keep it protected until you install it. Anyways, how you do this. There are various videos out there that can talk your ear off for an hour or so, trying to tell you every little detail. But here's down and dirty, quick and easy. After you lift it and take the tire off and all that kind of stuff, all you gotta do is get the brake caliper out of the way, take your rotor off, and then a trick. There's gonna be 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that you need to get access to. The axle is kind of in the way. You can manage to get some of the bolts out with various extensions and, you know, little wobblers and like short extensions and stuff, and, you know, different size sockets. Forget about that. Easiest way, get the axle out of the way, right? Take off these 2 bolts that hold up onto your strut tower. Boom, boom. It'll fall away. Okay, be sure your ABS sensor, you undo that so that's not getting stressed out. Boom, you pop that out of the way. Now you can get access to the 4 bolts back here with one of these, if you got one. Impact is excellent. Got the job done, lickety split, because guaranteed they're gonna be fairly corroded. You know, the rest of it's clean because that's covered, but the ends, you know, they're sticking out a little bit. And so they get a lot of crud. And when you're trying to back it out, it has to push through all that crud no matter how much you clean it. And it's gonna be a pain to just ratchet a little bit. You can get power on that, excellent. You can do that all day if you want, forget about it. Reverse to install should be fairly easy. I believe that we torque this down to 48 foot-pounds, something like that. Then pop your axle back in, tighten everything back up, you're done. Okay, other couple tips. These are all the tools I use, different size sockets. There's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 14 bolts, including the lug nuts. So there's really not much going on here. I'm halfway through my beer, so I believe I'll get through this and be happy. I like it because it has an Orca. Other trick, you should already know this, but this top bolt's part of your alignment. Make sure that you mark it. Okay, a little white paint, so you can try and get your alignment back to where it was. If you got questions, like I say, look around online. Plenty of information out there. Leave something down in the comments if you have another question. I'll try and help you out. But this is down and dirty, quick and easy. How to do the front wheel bearing hub assembly on your 2006 Subaru Outback. Also includes the years 2005 to 2013, I believe. Don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure it's all the same. Take it easy.